Uh-oh, your skirt fell off.
Mommy.
Here. I'm gonna have to, can I tuck it in here? Can I tuck it into your diaper?
Oh no.
Okay, there, now it works. There it works. Is that your purse too? Is it part of your costume?
Yeah.
Let me see.
Mario.
Smile. I love your shoes. You can just slide it all the way off, hon. There you go.
I'm sure.
Okay, everything's off.